Free view of the Taj. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good morning from Agra. I arrived here last night from Delhi. It was about a three and a half hour train ride. It cost 200 rupees, which is a little less than $3 US. Agra is famous, of course, for the Taj Mahal. But I won't be seeing it today. The weather's pretty bad. There's a lot of pollution. It's pretty foggy and cold. So I'm going to save that for another day. Tomorrow's Friday, and it's actually closed on Fridays, so don't come on a Friday. So I'll probably see it in a couple days here. But today I'm just going to walk around the area, down around the Taj Mahal, and just show you guys around. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead, I'll wait for you. Thank you. So I stopped off, 60 rupees for breakfast. Toast, egg, tea, and butter and jam. And 60 rupees, it's about 85 cents. So these are the exterior walls of the Taj. Admission's pretty steep. It's 1,100 rupees to enter the grounds, and I think 1,300 rupees to actually go inside the tomb itself. Lots of monkeys. They are pretty cute, but you have to be careful of the monkeys. Try not to wear too much flashy jewelry. Be careful of your sunglasses, your phone. Snacks, especially when you're eating snacks. They're pretty curious. There we go. Free views of the Taj. So this is the tomb of the Shah's first wife. Admission is free, and it's literally right across the street from the outer walls of the Taj Mahal. Oh, no, thank you. Thanks, though. Hello. Hello. This place is very touristy and pretty expensive, actually. I'm not actually staying down here by the Taj Mahal. I'm staying about 1 kilometer away. Staying about 1 kilometer away, but it's still relatively expensive. During the week, it's actually like $3 US a night, which is pretty cheap, but on the weekends, the cheapest you can find around here is about $6 a night for a hostel. Oh, no, thank you. Thanks, though. So here's my lemon tea for 20 rupees. Smells pretty good. and banana lassi with chocolate. Tomato cheese toasty. Pretty awesome for $1. Sorry. Hello. 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 Nice to meet you. Hello. Bye-bye. So that's it, everybody, for my walk around the Taj Mahal. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.